A board in the cage playing with the toy. Wow.
Fans we gotta buy, so we've been going through and finding them. We haven't got them up yet, but there's a lot of them all need new lights. Now I can tell all my.
Come to me, Parakeet. Come to me. What? Oh, what? Oh. You want to fight me for granny?
Maybe I'm thinking of it, we can do all that. Yeah, there's tons. So hopefully tomorrow we'll get the sand and start painting here soon.
Whoa. That's like, wow. He's like, whoa. And he's like, where'd you get that device? A Star Wars convention?
It's a whole part of it.
Oh. Ooh. Come on. Get a video. Pack it. Pack the thing.
Yeah, it makes it over. You don't have to track it across the door. Right. But of course, it's not going to sweep it up easy. We'll not worry about it.
I'm putting my finger in,
One of the bedrooms.
risking my life to a board.
Yeah, I put that up.
Oh my God, can't do it.
Too much other stuff to do.
Well, I'm gonna pet him. Ooh. He flew like a mile just to get some food.
We've been trying not to, half of our furniture is still at our old place, but we've been trying not to bring a lot of stuff up until we do the floors, because everything we're going to remove.
Don't pick the device.
Then we got a bunch of mom's stuff up here.
Fine, pick the device.
Yeah, that's going to be separate with the floors where they're going to live. But that'll be after we get a lot of this.
He's trying to pick
They're
it.
happy living upstairs with us right now.
He's picking it.
Yeah, that's me. And then the loft is going to turn into my office because I sell real estate.
This is going on YouTube.
That's going to be an office up there for me. But I work out of West Plains. Yeah. The guy that actually sold me my house stopped me to come to work for them. So therefore I'm working for them now.
Okay, so he likes the metal. Oh, he tried to buy my iPod.
The central heat and air don't work.
Oh wait, he bit it. Oh my God, he just bit it again.
We had to replumb
He's
everything.
biting the darn thing.
Everything was
He's biting it. He's biting it. No!
And then right now we just got 3-unit air conditioners. So
Yeah.
it's real cold in here, but it's comfortable. Yeah. And then,
Oh!
and then we've been doing the septic. We hadn't had a new septic, which we knew that before.
Typical wood.
So we're
Trying
doing
to
a little
pick
at a time.
the-
When we get these out of the way, then my aunt and Susan, they're going to come up, and Spencer's a electric, or he's a certified.
You bored?
So he's going to come up and help us with the
You want to fight my board? Huh? You want to fight me? Okay, so you just want to pick my camera.
Oh, yeah?
Pet the camera, pet the camera, pet. Not my finger, not my finger.
Like a lot of these, see, a lot of these all need replaced. We bought more ceiling fans and stuff today.
Oh gosh.
A little at a time.
Well, this is the end of our show. Parakeet talk and watch. Goodbye.